Olutayo, I love you with all my heart, with a passion that cannot be expressed with words, but can only be felt in years of adventure by your side. I promise to be your honest, faithful, loving husband for the rest of my days. I promise to be your guiding light in the dark days, warmth in the cold, and shoulder to lean on when overwhelmed.
With the strength of God in me and by the grace of God, I have loved you before, and I'll keep doing it over and over and over again. Through the good times, the sweet times.